This right here is a $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. So all you just need to do is to sign up, complete your profile registration, then you upload your documents, and you message their support for them to fund you with the $50 no deposit bonus. So make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any step. So the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, so it's going to bring you straight to this channel. So if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so you can be getting daily update. Okay, and 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel. If you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses, please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos. Okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video. Once you click on the link, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you have to select a jurisdiction, and you can also see where to message their support. You can message their support right here. So you have to select one of it. Okay, so to bring you over to this interface where you have to input your first name, your last name, your email, then your password, then you agree to the terms and conditions. After doing that, you click on register. Okay, so you can do that. It's very simple. So once you're done doing that, you have to select individual. That will be the account type, individual. So after that, you have to complete registration by imputing your signature. Okay, you first agree to the ZYZ Capital private policy, then you have to impute your signature right here. So once you're done doing that, you click on create account. Okay, so I'm going to do my own right now. I've done mine and it is processing my data, so you can see that my account has been created successfully and an email has been sent to me already. So let's go and check it out so that we're going to activate my account. This is the email right here. Okay, so I'm just going to click to verify. So you can see my account has been activated successfully, so I am to log in again. So I'm going to be inputting my email and my password, which I use in opening the account. Okay, so once I do that, then I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions, then I'll click on login. So once you click on login, it's going to bring you over to the site. Okay, so this is the site right here. So the next thing for us to do is to complete our profile registration. Okay, so we're just going to click on complete profile. Okay, so you can see it's opening. So once it opens, then you have to input your full name, your email, your country of residence, your phone number, your address, your city, your state, your zip code, your date of birth. Then you have to agree to the terms and services. Then after doing that, you click on update, and you are also to do your KYC verification is also needed. Yes, you have to upload your documents. Okay, it's also part of the profile registration. So you can see that my document has been uploaded already. You can see it right here. So once you're done uploading your document and also completing your profile, the next thing that you have to do is to message their support. So you message their support so that they can send the $50 no deposit bonus to you. Okay, So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section, and also comment the country where you're watching from. And please don't forget to message their support, okay? So keep learning, keep earning. Peace out.